Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami concorde plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves from both sides. Press it well to have the crease on your paper. Now fold one corner towards the center. Now fold it like this and press it well. Repeat this step from the second side. And then from the other side, fold the tip of the bottom towards the center and then fold it as shown in the video. Like this. Turn it. Now fold from the top, from one side and then the other. Press it well and then fold the tip. Open it. And press it well. Now fold from one side. Press it and then from the other side fold it and press well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Now fold the tip. Press it well. Turn it back. Now fold some details. Then from the second side, repeat these steps. Now with the wings. Pulling the tail upwards. Holding it inwards and then the wings from the bottom, and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.